This video is about gesture. I'm going to talk to you a little bit, give you a little more information. Gave you an introduction in a previous video, but I want to talk to you a little bit more about a term called following or finding the form. It's a process very much like scribble gesture. Now you can find a photograph of a drawing, in this case, an actual photograph. You can look in the mirror. You can take a family snapshot, take a selfie, and then make a print of it. And so you'll have several sources to work with. You can find a source to work with and put your friend in front of you and draw your friend. A lot of options. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to take a look at, it's the thing called organizational line or structural line that we did earlier with basic shapes. We're going to do it again. And you have to think of the face not in terms of eye, nose, and mouth, but you want to think of it as basic shapes and within a frame or a circular form. So once you have, you have to stop and look. You have to spend a minute and look and see how much space is between the ears, how much space is between the eyes and ear, and then there's a slight angle to the face. It's not straight up and down, but the head is slightly tilted. So you're going to run a line through your composition, approximate location, and this helps you make a composition also on your paper. So if you just start drawing really small, it's going to be really small. But if you go ahead and say, okay, I have this much paper, so I'm going to draw the head, it's going to be about this, and you draw one central axis down through the center. Slight tilt on this one. Now, in finding the form, it's a scribble process that you draw and erase, and you keep working. And I'm going to quit talking here for a minute so that I can concentrate on what I'm doing. At this point, haven't gotten started yet. But you're just going to keep playing with and making corrections throughout the composition, throughout the drawing process. I'm going to look at the space right here, kind of visualize how much space is between the end of the eye and the hairline. Where is the ear? Where is that ear? And so it's a scribbling kind of process that you're going to be doing. We'll locate the face, shape of the face, which of course all of this gets corrected as you work. Nose is a little short, a little long. Where are those? Lips will extend out, line up with the iris. So as I was pulling that line, I kept looking up, seeing where that was going to line up. And you just keep going. Now, you'll at some point take your eraser and still sort of building at this point, but you'll start erasing out a lot as you become more confident in what you have created. Start putting more pressure on your pencil. Once you're a little more confident about what you've put down. It also helps to get away, stand up, back up, take a look at what you're doing from a distance. You can also turn the drawing upside down, and you're going to see something very different you'll see something that isn't quite lined up, or you need to make a correction, and it will pop out immediately as you when you turn it upside down. I'm going to stop the video, draw a little bit, and then start another video for you.